Hello, and welcome to the channel. If you are looking for a professional solution for advanced cell phone services, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications about new content. Today we will talk about MotoKingPro Launcher. A powerful tool developed for technicians and technical assistance stores, but it can also be used by anyone with basic knowledge of Windows programs. This tool offers advanced features such as removing the FRP lock, accessing EDL mode, managing partitions and much more. It supports famous brands such as Xiaomi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Huawei and OnePlus, especially models with Qualcomm processors. The best of all is that you can download this tool directly from my blog. The link will be available in the description of this video. When downloading, be aware that the file will be protected by a password, which will only be revealed at the end of this video. Therefore, watch until the end so as not to miss any important details. A crucial point before starting the installation is to temporarily disable your computer's antivirus. This is necessary because some advanced features may be blocked by the security system, causing errors during the installation. Antivirus disabled, follow the steps shown in this video to install the program correctly on your computer. After downloading the program, you will need to unzip it using 7-zip or WinRAR. After once installed, run MotoKingPro Launcher as an administrator to ensure that all functions work perfectly. It is important to note that this tool must be used ethically and legally. We are not responsible for the improper use of the program or for any problems that may arise during its use. This video is intended to inform and help people who work with cell phone maintenance. If you like this content and want to continue receiving tips and tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with other people who can benefit from it. And of course, visit my blog to download MotoKingPro Launcher and many other useful tools. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.